on the mix. We turned the whole house into a booth. We in the kitchen. Let her cook.
Hey guys, so today I will be making honey garlic chicken with mashed potatoes. I already cut and washed the chicken off camera, so now I'm going to be seasoning the chicken with paprika, garlic powder, pepper, salt, onion powder, and then I'm going to mix it together. And I'm going to cover it and put it in the refrigerator to marinate for 24 hours.
Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, get no lady.
Next, I'm going to prep the skillet with olive oil.
But a bitch like Odell.
And while the pan is getting hot, I'm going to make these honey garlic sauce with honey, onion powder, garlic powder, and soy sauce. And then I'm going to mix that together. So now that the pan is hot, I'm going to put the chicken in the side of the pan and let it cook for 10 minutes on each side. Now I'm going to take the chicken out of the pan and cut some onions.
In the meantime, just some me time. Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know.
So I put the onions in the pan.
Myself, sipping in
along with 3 teaspoons of garlic. Mix it together.
so fuck my well.
And then I put the honey garlic sauce inside of the pan.
Like a glance from the page, the frame, you're the poster of what my dreams.
And put the chicken in the pan.
I'm not used to it. Oh, got me questioning what you've done.
And then from the bottom, I scoop the honey garlic sauce on top of the chicken. And then put it in the oven and let it cook for just a few minutes.
Don't fuck me up, don't let me
Now I'm going to make the mashed potatoes. I'm going to put 2 cups of water, 2 cups of milk. And then I'm going to put the potatoes in there. These are cooked on medium high. I'm going to stir it together. And I'm going to add 4 sticks of butter. Stir it together.
slit your wrist, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart in hand? How to learn how to let someone hold you. Think I'm got trust, so I let the truth. Got me questioning what.
And this is how it came out. I was going to make some type of greens, but we didn't have enough for everybody, so I wasn't able to make it. But if you guys like this, be sure to try it for yourself. Don't be afraid to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Do so.